Hey, welcome to another episode of geekoutdoors.com. So today I'm going to be talking about investing in your YouTube business. Now, I say business because most people say that YouTube is a job, and I disagree with that. I really feel YouTube is not a job. And the reason why I say that is that in a normal job, whenever you go work, you work a certain amount of hours, you know for sure you're going to get paid. Whereas YouTube and pretty much every other platform on the internet, there is no guarantees that you're going to get paid, no matter if you put 100 hours in or 1 hour in. So that means that it is a business. You are now an entrepreneur. And as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, you're going to have to make investments in your business in order to improve the product that you're producing and that you're giving out to the world. And so with all of these different equipment that I had, all of this took me time to actually acquire. But it was something that I knew that I needed to do at some point because I treat YouTube as a business. And whenever you're doing this, and it's not only for YouTube, you could be on other platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, it doesn't matter. At some point, if you're going to do this for the long term and do it as a business, you will have to invest money. And I feel that it is money that is well spent because these investments over the long term will pay back dividends. And not only that, you'll also learn very important skills by learning how to use all of this different equipment. Because before there was the internet, a lot of this stuff was only made for big companies who can afford all of this advanced equipment. And putting stuff live and on the internet before was something that seemed really foreign to people unless you were a very big company. And so that is it for this episode. I just wanted to talk about investing in your YouTube business and how, this is something that you'll have to do eventually, and it's very important, not only for your business, but also from a personal level as well. And so if you had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave them in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to subscribe. And if you wanted to support my channel further, you could do that at patreon.com/geekoutdoors. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.